But why are you treating me like a baby? I'm not. Yeah, you are. No. I'm going like, ooh, wow. No.
He likes it though.
He likes it actually. He likes all the attention. Hey, Asher, you a big boy?
Yeah.
Who do you got? You have all your cousins with you?
Yeah.
Who's here? Can you tell us? There's Hayden, right? And there's Paulina and Antonia and Zoe.
And Asha.
Asher, are you making pee-pee?
Yeah.
Are we having a pee-pee party?
Yeah.
Do you like pee-pee parties?
And pee-pee party.
Nice.
Are you gonna make pee-pee?
Dude, I need to go potty. Dude, I need to go poop.
You do? What about you, Zos? Do you need to make poops?
Hey, dude, I need
Hayden?
to poop. Ah.
Pee-pee?
No.
Paulina? Poo-poo?
No.
Asher? Poo-poo? Poop.
Poop party.
In the blue potty.